Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use message formatting on WhatsApp web. Okay, so we have few methods. So let's go and start with the method number one. So this one is the easiest way to form on web. So is using just your mouse. So type in text into the message box. So hello from YouTube, let's say. So now highlight the specific word or phrase you want to change. So let's go in that, and you will see this floating toolbar will appear, or right click the text, and now you can select bold, italics, strike through, or monospace, and so on. So let's go with that, and let's hit enter. And as you can see, it is a little bit more bold. All right. Now let's go to the method number two. So I will type in the same. What you can do now, you can type these specific characters around your text. So if we want the text more bold, we will put these stars right around it. So if we want the text more light, we will do this kind of syntax. If we want monospace, we will go with not this one, but with with this. Sorry, with this. Uh, so you press Alt on your keyboard and number 7, and you will get this. And if I hit now, as you can see, it's a little bit smaller. All right. Now, WhatsApp also supports structural formatting for better organization. So, if you type in asterisk or a hyphen, so this one, followed by a space. So let's go like so. I will do it like that, and then item 1. Uh, this is bulleted list. Number list, type a number followed by a period and a space. So let's do that. So like that. This is numbered list. Then we have a quote block. So you can type in greater than, and then symbol followed by a space like that to create an intended quote. Inline code, you will use single back tick. So as I showed you before, it highlights specific technical snippets. So like that. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can use message formatting on WhatsApp web. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.